How to fix Spotify Canvas not working. I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First, for example, if you open Spotify and you go to your settings, for example, you scroll down here and you will find Canva. For example, even you enable it here from your settings, it's not working here as you see. So even it's not working, there is one solution. Just go to your settings of your phone and click on apps option and search for Spotify. So what you should do right now, click on set as a default and enable upon open supported links. Click on first stop now and click OK, and then update your Spotify on the last version on Play Store, App Store, then restart your phone. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time.